Turn the volume down when you listen to this video because Photo Booth cranks the volume all the way up. Alright, hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, and the original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, or trolls. And I had a problem in the bathroom. No, not what you're thinking. I go down the hallway. I have to avoid the dreaded Fluffy, who's lying asleep on the hallway rug. I stepped on him last night because I can't see a black and white cat on a black rug in the dark. I apologized to Fluffy. I gave him some treats and petted him. Wasn't deliberate. But I turned the corner, and I don't have a light on. And I have a bunch of empty cat litter containers because I hope to get more litter at Target, at Walmart and Target, and fill them, not Target, Costco, so I can stockpile them so I don't keep buying litter all the time. I have the tubs that litter comes in. I have the jugs they come in. I may throw away all the jugs. I haven't decided yet. Got a ton of those, but I'd like to have 400, 500, 600 pounds of cat litter. Eventually, we ever rent a van, I'll go to Costco and have my money and clean them out. Or maybe get a whole pallet of cat litter, I don't know. They have these big bags that are almost uncarryable. They're 42 pounds, and they're in a plastic bag. And trying to lift those and take them into the bathroom, it just about wipes me out. But anyway, I'm also slowly cleaning the bathroom. It needs it. And the kitchen. And I'm going to go back to sleep after the next video, and then I'm going to get up later, go feed the cats, and then go do laundry. And then I will go back in the bathroom and mop and scrub the floors. And I found out the mop heads that were sent to me when somebody sent me a pair of brand new mops are not the right mop heads. So I got to order those for $24. It's always something. All right. Anyway, as I turn the corner, the Irish Spring is on the toilet tank lid. I've got all those there. This is Safeguard soap. This is Dial soap. And there's a whole bunch of soap that was given to me. This is Dial. Given to me or sent to me. Here, Dial. And I use some of it for hand soap. Wash your hands in the sink or the kitchen. I don't know what this is. What is this stuff? I can't read that. Oh, Jergens. Okay, somebody sent me Jergens. So, when I found sent me Jergens. So I took these little boxes from the little soups, Frisky's little soups, and rather than throw them out, I took all the soap, and it all fell on the floor the other night. So I had to bend down and pick all these up. So I took this one, and then someone sent me a lavender soap. I'm not sure why they would send me lavender, or Castillo lavender bar soap. Kathy doesn't use it, but I keep that. And then there's more of these Jergens. And then there's little tiny soaps that unfortunately will break after a while, but they can still be used. So we have one box like this, and one box like this, and I could, I suppose, stack up the Irish Spring, but they're all in their individual boxes stacked up on the toilet tank, also with 3 things of shaving cream and a apple cider shampoo that somebody sent me a long time ago. And I'll eventually use that one and try it when the pert is all used up, but I've still got a ton of that. So this makes it so when I come around the corner, these are on the milk crates on the table by the door. They don't fall on the floor now because they were stacked up loose. And there's 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bars of soap. And these little bars, there's 5. Including this little tiny bar of soap. I don't know what. And then these things. So now it's that's one less thing I have to pick up off the floor and clean up. So I have, let me put these like this, and they will not fall anymore. I'm glad I did that. All right, that's it for this one. This is George Senda. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay dry. Have a great Easter. Hope you enjoyed your Passover. Hope you enjoy your weekend. It's nice weather here. Not even in wind. The sun's out. Fluffy is on the bed. Little girl's outside. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye, kitty friends. Bye, Bellamy and Oreo and Penelope and Oscar and Top Cat. Have a great day, people. Bye-bye for now.